It's fucking bullshit.
So we're back with the Camaro tire. And
I'm just gonna fucking burn it down and steal one of his.
he's gonna try and plug this little miniature hole we got in this bitch. So this is gonna be fun.
This into that.
It's like me putting my dick in your mom.
Or like when he's sleeping and I put it in him. This thing's probably gonna scream as much as he does, man. I use a sandpaper rubber. You know, generally I use something like dish detergent or battery acid for lube. It's fucking wonderful, but it's gonna suck today. What?
Feel better?
A little bit, yeah. I don't know, it just wasn't a very good night.
Holy shit.
Those van tires are fucking thick, dude.
Don't do it.
Don't do what?
Don't ream it out no more. That's a thin ass tire.
Yeah, no shit. Tried to tell you.
What a piece of shit. Only because you burned most of the fucking tread off.
So?
He said so.
That's what they're made for, ain't they? Come on, motherfucker. You know how we roll up in this bitch.
Here, take the video camera while I'm doing this.
Don't wanna.
When you're putting these pieces of shit in, you don't want to do a bunch of twisting and crap either.
Nope, straight in, straight out, just like me and his mom. It's fucking wonderful, man. Now, see, I got that thing jammed in there. I thought it was going to do a lot more squealing, but I guess Ricky's always louder. Honda, piece of shit.
I don't believe how easy that went in. Thin ass tire.
I'm going to use this reamer to fucking cut somebody's shit open.
And he's got a nail in this tire, too.
Yeah, it's like Ricky's cock size, just like that. It might be that long. Oh, fuck you.
Fucking bitch.
Hey, centered motherfucker.
Yes, it is.
No, it ain't. Leave it the fuck alone. It is now. Quit it. Cock eater.
What you gonna do about it?
Fucking nip strike. Ready?
I don't know. You don't need to jam them fast. You ain't got this out and stick that one in like I did your mom. Push, motherfucker.
Fuck you.
Be a man. These huge ass fucking big rig plugs.
Yeah, no shit. See how that's all fucking, you know, pushed out and around? It looks like his mom's ass. Because I was fucking killing it. Let's see, about right there. Shit, did I push it in too far?
I don't know, yank the thing out. Let's see where it is.
1, 2, 3, and out.
No, there's still something sticking out. Now just trim it all off.
Get his crack cutting razor and fucking go to town here.
Don't cut a fucking hole in it.
No shit.
Slice the fucking tire up. Make it look like fucking chicken necks.
Yum yum. Yeah, that's a lot of shit to cut off. Man, I made that shit big.
Just cut it right up against the tire. There you go. He's so big, you're cutting into the tire.
Unnecessary parts.
Over said unnecessary.
Now,
good enough.
So that we can show them, we're supposed to cement this, right?
Before we put it in.
Why not just after? We'll just fucking put it in now. Who cares?
I did get cement, but I don't use that shit. I use the patches if I use that. Well, there's that.
Well, shit, the fucking van was harder than this.
I'm telling you, that's fucking thin ass tire. Piece of shit.
Fucking cares.
Fucking hell. There's the van tire.
Yeah, I haven't put it back on. I'm still kind of pissed off at the van.
Cock cam.
Fucking ball gazers.
Oh yeah, I was gonna fire up the truck.
You were gonna fire up the truck.
Fucking.
This truck is DTF. Well, shit, we're only at 5 minutes. I could kill off your mom faster than that. Shit.
I don't know how much time we got left on the camera.
That's cool. Yeah. Ow! Fuck! Ow! Kicking up shit all over me. Oh, you son of a...
I've seen grass and shit flying.
Dude, that shit fucking hurts.
Did I leave a hole in the ground over there?
Yeah, you left a little dent.
It was starting to go good there at the end.
Yeah?
Alright, you got anything else to say?
Oh, fuck. Like I said, no. What the fuck are you doing? No, none of this. No. Reach around possible. Why am I turning? And, you know, GTFO. See y'all later.
Laters.